everyone, and thanks for watching my today's episode of what's in my AliExpress basket. Today it is about the bling and the embellishments. So the first thing in my basket are these 10 pieces of flower rhinestone pearl button embellishments, and you can put them around your bows, etc. And they are from £1.13. There is a choice of 5, I think, there to choose from, but they are lovely sort of centerpieces for bows, etc. Then I found this seller who sells all these different sizes of crystal resin bling rhinestone embellishments from 6 to 30 millimeters, so quite big that they go up to, and they are from £1.18 to £1.65. Some packs you get 50 and some you get 100. But look at these close up. They are so super sparkly and yummy. Very, very, very yummy. And then there are these metal hanging pearl bling charms, 10 pieces for £2.62. Very pretty. Love the colours on them. I love that little sort of teardrop element of it. Will spruce up anything and just be able to sort of put that on a project and have a lovely little beautiful dangle. They almost look like little angels from a distance. Right, then we have 10 pieces of round 15 millimeter crystal rhinestones. They're flatback embellishments, multicolour, and they're £1.46 for 10. But 15 millimeters again. Some of these embellishments today are quite big. They're quite nice sizes. So if you're looking for bigger blingy things, here they are. And you can see what they look like from the back here, from the pictures as well. Lots of yumminess. I do have a bit of a cold, I'm so sorry. Okay, so we have these 10-piece rhinestone pearl embellishments, and these are 16 millimeters, and they are £1.42. Very sparkly, but very classic. You know, if you're looking for something that very good for wedding projects, there's a lot today that would do for wedding projects. Excuse me. And this seller has an awful lot of these blingy things. So the next thing are these 10-piece vintage flower rhinestone pearl embellishments with this lovely pearl drop dangle there, and you have silver or gold, so you can have a mix. And the 10 pieces, 20 millimeters, £2.85. But like I said, you know, you could have a mix. That's what I've done. I have gone for the mix. A lot of these that are coming up, you can either choose just one colour, or you can choose to have mixed ones. Look at these insect brooches. They are lovely. I have ordered the B, which is coming up. But these are very pretty. They're 92 pence. Excuse me. So you've got a wasp. I do not know if that's a spider, isn't it? I don't know. Is it a spider? A fly thing? I do not know. Very pretty. And yeah, they just look. Is that a wasp or a bee? Anyway, it looks like a waspy bee thing. Then there are these very large 27 millimeter centre embellishments, 10 pieces, and they're £1.42. Excuse me. I hope I've got the right one here. Actually, no, I didn't have. Sorry. Those last ones were £5.21 for 10 because they're 26 millimeters. This one, 10 pieces, are 27 millimeter resin rose centre embellishments, and you have 8 colours to choose from, or you can choose a mix for £1.42. I thought I'd gone wrong there because the other ones are large and more crystal and they are a little bit more expensive. Then we have these old gold round flatback pearl rhinestone embellishments, 11 colours to choose from, or you can have a mix, and it's 10 pieces for £2 and two. And I love that old gold look, I think, and the pearls on these are very beautiful. And then these more oval sort of shape, retro metal pearl rhinestone embellishments, 10 pieces for £3.38. Aren't these very, very posh? And there's 12 colours, or you can choose a mix of colours. And I like that the seller has done that with, I think, most of the items that they are selling. You can actually choose a mix, which is good because I don't always want, 10 pieces of the same colour. Now, if you like cameos, which I love cameos, there's these 10-piece cameo dangle charms, £2.76 for 10. And I do have some other cameo ones coming up in a minute. If these silver black ones are not for you, I do have some lovely gold, creamy gold ones, which are the more classic ones. And they're quite big, look. They're quite a nice size, these embellishments as well. So it's quite nice that you've got the ruler to show you. Then we have these 10-piece crystal oval embellishments, 7 colours, or again can be mixed, 26 millimetres for £6 and 32 pence. And like I said, there are different colours. I particularly like this green one that's coming up, as I love green and emerald, and that's more peridot, isn't it? Well, kind of, but lovely. These are the cameo pearls that are coming up, dangles, and these are more the classic cream sort of colour, and they are 10 pieces for £3 and 10. Those are the ones I've ordered, but I did show you the black ones as well, just so that you can have a choice if you want to. So I put it in my basket and showed you, but I'm going to see what the cameo ones are like. I think I like the cream ones better than the black ones, but still you might be looking for black cameos out there. And I love the way that you've got the pearls all the way round. They're stunning, aren't they? And dangles, I think, are the theme today. I've gone for a lot of dangles. There's these 10-piece rose dangle charms, 9 colours, or you can choose a mix, £2.60 for 10. Excuse me, I didn't write the size down, but it tells you there on the pictures. But they are quite big again, and they're like the crystals all the way round. They're lovely, aren't they? I like the way that they're different sort of colours as well. So they're a little bit quirky. Love this one, the creamy one. Yum. And then if you didn't want a cameo dangle, I've got these cameo flatback embellishments, 10 pieces, or you can mix 6 different colours, £3.57. So yeah, if you didn't want the dangle, then this is the one to go for. The colours are quite nice on the whole set, I think, of these as well. So I would use probably all of them. If butterflies are your thing, we have these 10-piece butterfly pearl embellishments with rhinestones, and they are £3.22. And they're 5 colours, or you can have a mix. I don't think I've shown all 5 colours: pink, white, purple. No, I didn't, but it says here 5 colours that you can choose from. Anyway, I just went for the mix. More dangle charms, but these I've got a tassel. So these 10-piece oval rhinestone charms with tassels are £2.87. There are 8 colours, or you can choose a mix. Look at the tassels. They are yummy. Oh my gosh, I can imagine them on a journal, or on a tag, or on a page. Oh, Aren't they delicious? Now these ones coming up a little bit different. They're oval charms with crosses. There are 3 designs and it's £2.40 for 5 pieces. Love them all. Really do like all of those. And I don't have the size of these, but they are looking to be, you know, quite big with the dangle bit. These next ones are huge. Wait till you see these next ones. 48mm resin flowers, mixed colours, 10 pieces, £5.58. These are huge. Very big. Very lovely colours, quite bright. Not so vintage on here with these ones, but they're very bright and colourful and would definitely spruce up. You could have them on top of a box or on the front of a journal. I'm not sure where you would put those, but I'm sure you would find somewhere. Excuse me. Then we have these 5-piece 33mm rhinestone embellishments for £2.90. Again, a really nice size. You know, more vintage with this one. Just thought they were a little bit different. They do look like bottle caps, don't they? That have been dressed up, but they're beautiful. Very lovely, lots of bling. Then we have these 10-piece pink resin flower embellishments, 18mm by 22mm, and they are £3.40. Very pretty. Very dainty, aren't they? Very dainty looking. Nice size as well. They don't look so big in the photo, but they're quite a nice size there. Oh, look at these dancing ladies. Now you get 16 pieces. Mix. You can have a mix or you can choose them individually. Now the mix is £8.09 for 16 pieces. But look at these. These ones are beautiful. But the next one in the mix, oh, this is delicious. Look at these with the flowers and the rhinestones in the dresses. Oh, just gorgeous. So 16 pieces and you get a mixed variety of these. I think was it 4 designs? And then you've got these more colourful skirts. But very, very pretty. Then we have Christmas charms. They are 10 pieces, a mixed bag for £2.85. So, you know, Christmas is not that far away if you think about it, really, is it? God, it catches up so quick. So, yeah, get ready for your Christmas projects. Then we have these 10-piece rose rhinestone 20mm flatback embellishments, £2.28, and they've got like a flannel rose. That's how it's described. It's like a flannel rose in the middle, so it's like a fabric. So these are a bit different from the just resin ones that I had. And just look at that lovely blood red. Oh, delicious. Very, very, very yummy. Then I have some more oval shiny pearl rhinestone embellishments, 10 pieces for £3.25. And I think that's 24mm by 20. But look at these lovely colours that you can actually choose from. But I like all of them because they're very soft and quite classic there. And then we have these 11 colours or mixed 10-piece dangles they were. Right, okay, so thank you for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and don't forget, if you want to order anything, just click on the link in the description box below. Thanks for watching. See you all very soon. Take care. Bye bye.